does the second person of the Trinity, Jesus Christ, does he have a human nature right now?
Yes.
Okay. That answers my
Right.
question.
This is a good point. The lesson of the ascension is that the incarnation, and this is a remarkable fact, maybe you haven't thought about this before, that the incarnation is a permanent status taken on by the second person of the Trinity. It isn't a temporary incarnation for 30 years or so here on earth, and then he goes back to being the way he was before. The incarnation and resurrection and ascension are God's most powerful expression of ratifying the value of our human bodily material existence, that he would take this into his glorified and eternal state permanently. And so this is why Orthodox Christianity never devalues the material and the physical in favor of the spiritual, regarding the material and the physical as evil or somehow less worthy than the spiritual. The physical is created by God. It is affirmed and taken on by Christ in the incarnation and taken into heaven in his resurrection and ascension.